Normally I'm cracking on about my Tyro 109. Well, today it's the Tyro 79. Put some new props on, gonna have a scoot around, see how these tri-blades go with this Tyro 79. Great little freestyle unit, nice and nimble, 3 or 4S. Specs, text below, let's go. Okay, I've been recording maximum VTX. See how these props go. I'm expecting it to be fairly nimble. Feels pretty good, guys. Yep. XM Plus receiver, folks, and as I said, 200 mil VTX, not super strong. So I'll just float around here, somewhere near the trees. Hopefully I won't end up in the drink. Yeah, it feels pretty smooth, folks. Feels very smooth. Tri-bladers are always a good option if you want to do a little bit of smooth flying. Not quite as aggressive as your tri-bladers, as your bi-bladers. Bit of a punch out here. Yeah, really good. Lots of fun to fly this thing is. Didn't really like the trees, I'm afraid. Okay, getting a bit low on power now. Let's bring it back and finish off with a bit of a line of sight. Hopefully. Well, let us know what you think, guys. I think it's fairly smooth with those tri-bladers on. Yeah, getting low on power now. Still available for purchase, this 79. I think we'll leave it at that before something goes wrong. Modded VTX antenna, XM Plus, budget ripper, great fun. See you next time. Bye for now.